This video is for subtracting decimals and subtracting decimals too. Okay, I can do both of them here. Start with subtracting decimals. This is just like using your toolbox strategies. So the toolbox strategies you've learned and column subtraction would work as well for these. So we've got 7.7 take away 0.1 is 0.6. And we've got 0.9 take away 0.5 is 0.4. Then they get a little bit harder. We get up into the hundredths. Got 0.47 take away 0.11, so 47 hundredths. Take away 11 hundredths is going to be 0.36 hundredths. And then you might get some that have got different numbers of decimal places. This one goes to thousandths. This one only goes to hundredths. So you've got to make sure if you're going to line them up for column subtraction, you line up the tenths over tenths, hundredths over hundredths, thousandths of none over thousandths. Or you can work your way through it. So you go with 0.6 take away 0.5 is 0.1. And then 6 hundredths take away another 6 hundredths is no hundredths. And no thousandths take away 3 thousandths. Well, we can't do nothing take away 3, so we have to break that. We have to go down to 0.09 and then take away 9 from 3 from 10. 3 from 10 is 7. Okay, so if you're not entirely sure why that's the case, you need to go and have a look at your numeracy strategies on the other side and work through your numeracy strategy activity. Particularly column subtraction will be the one here because we're breaking into tens. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. So if you're not too sure about how to do these trickier ones, go and do column subtraction and look at how to break numbers. If you can't do something, take away something, you break it up. Let's do one more here. So 0 point. And then 9 tenths take away 3 tenths is 6 tenths. 9 hundredths take away 3 hundredths is 6 hundredths. No thousandths take away 8 thousandths. I can't do 0 take away 8, so I have to break these hundredths up into 10, so it goes down to 5. And now I've got 10 thousandths take away 8 thousandths is 2 thousandths. Okay, so that's what I was doing there, just breaking it up. One more. 0 point. 6 tenths take away 2 tenths is 4 tenths. 8 hundredths take away 3 hundredths is 5 hundredths. No thousandths here, and I need to take away 2, so I need to make some thousandths. How can I make some thousandths? Well, I can break this this hundredths up into 10, so it would go down to 4 hundredths, and I've now got 10 thousandths. Take away 2 thousandths is 8 thousandths. Okay, so that's just column subtraction where you're breaking numbers if you need to. If you can't do the subtraction, you have to break one of the numbers up into 10 of those things.